Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up to Cloudflare. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Now about the pricing. So there's an option of application services, so application security and performance. You can go ahead with a free plan, pro, business and enterprise. So to sign up, all you have to do is go ahead to cloudflare.com and you're going to see this sign up button. You're going to click on it. And you will again see this. Now we're gonna click on free option here. And now we will need to go ahead and sign up. So you're gonna enter your email, password, and verify that you're a human and sign up. Now, after you have signed up, you will need to go ahead to your email and verify your account. And now there's an option to add an existing domain or register a new domain. So you're gonna choose the option which fits you the best. So if you want to register a new one, you're going to go ahead and click right there. And you can go ahead and search for the domain you want to go ahead and have. So you will have all of these options, as you can see, with org, .com, .net, UK, co, XYZ, and you will see all of the prices. So we can go ahead and buy it here. But that's basically it, how you can go ahead and sign up with Cloudflare. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.